Foxconn Industrial Internet (FII), a subsidiary of Foxconn, is planning to invest Rs 8,800 crore in a supplementary plant in Karnataka. FII CEO Bran Cheng, along with other delegates, recently met with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to discuss the proposal. The meeting was attended by the state's Large and Medium Industries Minister M.B. Patil and the Minister of Information and Technology Priyank Kharge. The Chief Secretary Vandita Sharma was also present in the meeting. The state has agreed to provide 100 acres of land near Tumkuru for the project. The process of handing over land to Foxconn for its mobile devices manufacturing unit at Devanahalli ITIR is in the final stages. The manufacturing unit will be set up in about 300 acres and create 50,000 employment in the first phase. The plant will manufacture components for Apple iPhones.
Manufacturing the number one support. Looking forward to witness.
Right.
Chief Minister, this is Karnataka. I'm your new achievement. Homegrown office.
That's it, yeah.
Coffee, homegrown coffee.
Coffee, Arabic.
HAL, all these things are housed in Bangalore to take on this one. So Bangalore is an actual choice.
So yeah, that's why we actually make Bangalore.